Hello friends, welcome to News You Can Eat. I'm Chef Walter. Today, turkey cooking tips. It's not every day that you have to roast a 16-pound bird. So when Thanksgiving rolls around, sometimes even the most seasoned cook needs a little help getting the turkey from the fridge to the table. These turkey cooking tips are exactly what you need to deliver a delicious, perfectly seasoned bird. Shop smart. Half a pound of turkey per guest is usually the case. Throw it out, always in the refrigerator with the original wrapping. Reconsider basting the turkey with good quality olive oil. Keep the oven shut as much as you can, avoiding drop-in temperatures. And make sure your turkey is cooked. Temperature at 165 Fahrenheit, measured at the thickest part of the thigh. And that is News You Can Eat for today. We'll chat next time. Ciao, ciao.